Oh man, Bertie boy. Down at the lap. Down the old fucking hot springs. Don't fuck about, mate. Got the old river beans down here. Flowing. Fresh mountain ice water. That hotel. Back over there, that's where we're going to go for the old hot springs bar. Right, that's nice. Bertie boy. There's Bertie. There's Bertie over there. There's Shy. Down at Gulat. I'm down to the hot springs. Got a little hot bar. The river bees down here. Oh yeah. Bertie boy, I'm Bertie. There's the old hot bar. We don't fuck about, mate. I told you, look like an old barber, look. Yeah. Fucking beautiful. That is. Don't look very clean, but I ain't worried about that. Always fucking swimming in here. Fuck about. You don't get to smoke in the bath very often, do you? Bertie boy. Baba Bertie. In the old hot water spring, mate, with a bath. Stand up, Bert, show them how deep it is. How deep's the bath? Fuck about, mate. Mini swimming pool. Boiling hot spring water.
Mate, no sooner passed.
Hey, you're snoring. There's Bertie, having a fucking hot, spicy chicken manchow soup, sweating his fucking nuts off, sitting next to the old open fire down at Johnson's Bar. Yeah, and just try and keep your speed up, keep your feet right in the middle. Yeah?
We have everything and we have nothing. Some men do it in church, some men do it by carrying butterflies.
Straight through,
Some men
Bert!
do it in Palm Springs, laying it into butter blonde, Cadillac butter. Cadillac and butter, nothing and everything. The faith melting down to the last puff and a jar of coral crystal.
Follow me, Bert!
There's something for the tout, the nun, the grocery clerk, and you. Something at 8 a.m., something in the library, something in the rich. Everything and nothing.
Alright, easy.
Easy. Running along
Yeah, mate.
And you swing. 1, 2,
No worries, Bertie. Oh, straight over the edge there, look. Fucking hell.
The doll was early enough to die, but mom was thrilled and blood is Kelly on the grave diggers playing poker over 5 a.m. call, waiting for the crash. They know you're not we have everything.
Why'd you put your fucking feet out? I don't know why you put your feet out like that.
I don't know. Stop getting wet.
Honestly, Bert.
Come on, get up there.
Look at my feet, look.
Yeah, I know. I love that.
Stand your back.
Checkerboard. Move. Bag.
Oh, yeah. Hey, mama. Hey, this is fun, huh? Alright, with my Bertie. Where's Bertie? There he is. Glowing, mate. Okay. Oh. Bertie. There he is. I was walking up South Seedless fucking waterfall. I had to walk fucking about 2,000 steps. Oh. It's nice, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
There's Bertie on his way up the hill, blowing.
It's harder than a bike ride.
It really is. Fuck, look, yeah, we're on the steps, right. Snow-capped mountains in the distance, look. Fucking on the other side of the valley. They're also on this side of the valley above us, but we can't see them above the trees. We're well above the clouds.